Welcome back to Tiger Sips, and today we're making scrambled eggs. So we have 3 eggs. Well, as many eggs as you want. You can have 1, you can have 2, you could even have 10, but I don't know if that's so healthy for you. I wouldn't recommend having 10 eggs. That does not seem that healthy. You get butter and toast and also a bowl. So first you're going to want to crack your eggs. And you're going to whisk it. Well, it's called a whisk. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to throw some butter in the pan. Then if you want to spread your butter around the pan, you could get a spatula. You're going to use this anyways to scramble the eggs. You could use as much butter as you want, but you don't want to use too little or too much, because then your eggs will literally probably taste like butter. Now, we're going to want to pour the eggs in. Okay, then you're going to scramble them. Instead of doing how I was doing it with the butter, you're going to turn it around and do it like this. And just put it back and forth for I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe less, until you see that it's getting solid. You want to make it a bit hard. Once you could start seeing a little okay, they kind of look like white ripples, I don't know. And then that's just the egg forming into scrambled eggs, or whatever type of egg. You can make bloop bloop, you can make sunny side up, you can make omelet, just a bunch of different types. You can make an egg sandwich, but I think to make an egg sandwich there's a little bit more steps, because you gotta cook the eggs, and then you gotta get the eggs and get some bread, then you make it into a sandwich. You wanna scrape the sides and make sure you get all the eggs. Get 100%, or at least not 90%, that's good enough. But just do as good as you can. Okay, looks like we're about done. Now we're gonna put the eggs in the plate. Now we're gonna add a little salt and pepper. There we go, that's our scrambled eggs. Thanks for watching, adios amigos.